Caritas has been active in Lithuania since 1989, helping people across the country and abroad. We provide aid to different social groups, such as children, refugees, victims of violence, the poor, and everyone in need. And one of those social groups are elderly people.
Turėjau išmanųjį telefoną ir mokėjau tik paskambinti, daugiau nieko. Išmokau daug ko, to ko nebedžiaugiuosi. Tas projektas tai tiesiog šiandžiai ir man pačiai ir kažkaip nuotaika kitokiai ir tos ligos į šoną.
Problemos buvo labai skirtingos žmonių. Tas toks buvo sudėtingumas darbo, kad vienas senjoras supranta daugiau, žino daugiau, moka ir fotografuoti ir net ir nuotraukas perkelti, sukelti. Kitas nemoka, bet labai nori. Pastebėjom tą norą, kad senjorams reikia bendravimo. Jiems tas bendravimas su jaunais žmonėms tiesiog juos pakelia ant sparnų. Ir senjorai labai stebėjosi, kad jauni žmonės tokie kantrūs, kad jie taip kantriai tą patį aiškina, atidūs, išklauso, ramūs.
Alio, pasisveikinam, labai malonai. Taip, aš jau moku prekių, kur reikia, susimoku mokesčius, nuotraukom dalinamės, išmokom nuotraukas, atsaką. Padarė mūsų seniorų grupė telefone, to žinutę gaunam, kada, kur renkamės, kur vykstam, ką darom.
This experience for me was a unique one. The thing I enjoyed most about it was the company and the time spent together. So I felt that I had some use to those elderly people and they could learn something new from me. I really enjoyed the talks with the elderly people, how they would start telling stories from their life. You realize that those elderly people, they might be coming there not just to learn something, but also to be in a company.
It has also been a very fun time to try new things and go to different places with other volunteers, because there's a chance to bond and a chance to even learn more about them and even ourselves.
Mes matom, kad kaip ir susidarė senjorų klubas. Senjorai ateina, jie bendrauja. Jeigu neturi kažkokių kompiuterinių klausimų, mes žaidžiam žaidimus, susikūrė jaunimo grupė.
The COVID pandemic highlighted a major issue for seniors, the importance of basic IT skills. In today's world, living without these skills is hard. While young people adapt quickly to the changes, seniors risk becoming isolated and excluded. This inspired the idea of uniting two generations. Young volunteers will teach seniors how to use technologies, like online shopping, finding the information, using smartphones, and etc. We launched the project in 2022, involving 80 young volunteers and 238 seniors from 2 dioceses in its first 2 years. The project included stages such as recruiting participants, training volunteers, offering support, preparing teaching materials, and of course organizing practical activities. It not only improved seniors' IT skills, but also reduced isolation, built communities, fostered youth values, and encouraged meaningful connections. What began with IT training grew into diverse activities, inspiring the launch of Young Caritas program across Lithuania.
Tas pavadinimas, kad mainai, patirtis ir jaunystė, tikrai išvirto į tokį patirties pasidalinimą ir gražius mainus. Jaunimas sako, aš dabar nebebijau senų žmonių.